My name is Jeff Hagen, and I'm the seed manager at Genesis.
I'm Tim Malterer, one of the salesmen, also at Genesis.
And today we'd like to talk a little bit about treating our soybeans. More so at this point, let's talk about the process and our key product and the benefits to the product that we're using. What are we trying to achieve with the treating of the insect and disease as far as protection goes? Just start out on the bug side of things. It's of course aphids, and now as we talk about this right now, it is a little bit later than normal because we've had an extended cool and wet, and aphids have been a problem 7 out of the last 8 years. So by applying the Cruiser Max with the seed, do we get control? No, we do not get control, but it becomes systemic within the plant, and we get a suppression type effect on the soybean. So it buys us some extra time. The bean leaf beetles, which has been a problem we've seen in the past, took around perimeters, seed corn maggot, and wireworm. And then you want to talk about diseases as far as what we've seen on the disease portion of it?
Yeah, we'll see, as far as the disease go, we'll see some white mold, not the one that we're familiar with above ground, but you have some white mold that affects the seedlings, and that this helps with. Pythia, Rhizoctonia, some of these other diseases that are in the soil, it really helps to control those, and it's systemic in the plant, so it doesn't just protect that little bitty seedling, it actually goes out through the roots and will really help control the full root portfolio per se. Now we've talked about some of the stuff that the seed treatment protects us from. There's some other key benefits that we want to list down and talk about. Soybeans are no longer pull them out of the bin and dump them in and go. There's $60 per unit tied up in some of these, and so we really want to make sure that we protect our investment. We want it to excel and perform as best we can with this investment, and that happens with the seed treatment, with seedling vigor. Helps it get out of the ground faster, especially in cool, wet conditions like we're seeing this spring. It's a given. We want it to get out of the ground. I don't want it to sit there. We get better stands. We also get a better canopy. It helps because this plant is growing, getting out of the soils faster. It's able to then close the canopy faster and really excel.
Well, absolutely. The whole gig on this thing is protecting the yield potential, and by using the seed treatment that the industry has recognized. I hate to use the word standard, but it is. Well, probably 90% of our soybeans are treated. Damp, it's uncomfortable, put a blanket on the seed.